I went to Princess Auto, which is similar to Harbour Freight in the US, and I picked up this Drift Hero mini bike kit. It retails for $500. It went down $50 a while ago, and I still thought that was a little too pricey. But recently, within the last week, it went down to $350. So with taxes, it was just under $400. And this is what you get in it. You get the frame, foldable foot pegs, which are really quite nice, chain guard, tensioner, rear fender. The seat is amazingly quite soft and plush. You get the front tire, front fender with a instruction kit and some bolts. This front fork with a kill switch, brake lever, throttle cable. There's the kickstand, and surprisingly it came with a clutch and chain, small toolkit, and some zap straps. So for just under $400 you do actually get everything you need to build a kit except for the engine. Came well packaged in a metal frame. Doesn't look like there's any damage. And now I have a choice of throwing on this 6 horsepower, which I picked up on Facebook for $100, or I might go retro with this 3.5 horsepower. I'm not sure just the way it's designed if it'll fit in there, but we'll get together and we'll see what it looks like. Here's a mock-up of the Drift Hero mini bike kit from Princess Auto. I'm running the 6 horsepower Power Fist as opposed to this 3.5 horsepower retro antique one. It just seemed to fit better. The clutch that comes with this kit is a 5/8 diameter clutch, and on these Power Fist engines they're a 3/4 inch. I'm gonna have to get a new clutch. Gonna have to redo the mounting holes, but it seems to fit pretty good. I had to remove the exhaust muffler. Probably have to get an aftermarket. I have to play around with it a bit more to see if it's balanced. But when you look at this frame, compared to my Monster Moto, same front, but the back is slightly different. Very similar though. We'll get this going, order some parts, and see how it runs.